Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Frans Marcelino Purba. Now I will presenting my presentation. The topic is gas iron. The following lecture, Professor Dr. Tjokorda Gde Tirta Nindhia, STMT Magister Engineering Metallurgi, Mechanical Engineering Study Program Faculty of Engineering Udayana University. Next, reference Metallurgi for the Non-Metallurgi second edition by Arthur Sorry. Okay, this topic is 7 is the first is basic methodology of cast irons, the classification of cast irons, gray cast iron, textile irons, reliable irons, compact graphic irons, and finally is the special cast irons. Cast irons like steels or iron carbon alloys. The difference is that cast iron typical process higher carbon levels than steels, so the cast iron can take advantage of authentic solidification in the binary iron carbon system. Iron carbon diagram where solid surface represent the stable system Fe3C and desert surface represent the stable system iron grade. Okay, the first is basic methodology of cast iron. Historically, the two basic types of cast iron were initially classified based upon their fracture surface area. The first is white iron with a white crystal fracture surface, and like the picture, okay, because fracture occurs along the brittle iron carbide plates of the vegetables authentic. And second is gray iron with a gray fracture surface because fracture occurs along the graphite or plates or flakes of the authentic solidification with graphite. Okay, controlling the authentic reaction. To control the properties of cast iron, it is necessary to control the formation of the carbon-rich base, or the authentic reaction, and the reformation of the steel matrix, or the authentic reaction. Next is the metallurgical processing of cast iron is designed to manipulate the tight amount and metallography of the authentic in order to achieve the desired mechanical properties. A summary of the cast iron types as well as the processing required to obtain them is given in this picture. Okay, the shape of the graphite also can be modified during solidification of gray iron. Graphite morphology can be developed by heat treatment decomposition of Kensmith in white iron. Okay. It is the estimate that maximum of 5% of the iron casting required the treatment, a number that has been steadily declining since the early. This decline has been due in part to the ever-changing control of chemical composition and processing. Heat switching is used to the first is relieve internal stress. Two is improve mechanability, three increase toughness and ductility, four increase strength and wear resistance, and five is reach a necessary step in the production process that is transferring gray or ductile irons, producing reliable iron casting or annealing iron cast in permanent mold. The methods of third heat treatment include stress relieving, use of special heating cooling cycles to relieve residual stresses by temperature difference in various parts of the casting. Two is annealing, three is normalizing, and next is stroke hardening, and five is surface hardening. Okay, next is classification of cast. The historical classification of gray and white cast iron that are fracture application still exist today. Cast iron are also classified as either common or special cast iron. Common cast iron are for general purpose application and are unalloyed or alloy composition. Special cast iron as defined in place are for special application for common cast iron. The rate of alloying with carbon and silicon varies by the type of iron. Okay, this picture is carbon and silicon composition ranks of common cast iron and steel. Next is gray cast iron. Gray cast iron is the most common form of cast iron and is characterized by a microstructure with plate lamellar graphite embedded in a steel matrix. Gray iron comprises a range of relatively heterotectic compositions like the fissile, carbon and silicon composition range of common cast iron and steel. Okay. Graphic sets in gray or flake graphic iron standard have been used for many years in the acquisition of graphic size and shape in gray irons. In ASTM A247, for example, the flex graphic in gray cast iron is described by the following types. The first is type A, okay? Uniform distribution, random orientation. Next is type B. Type B is rosette grouping random orientation. Type C is supersmall flag size random orientation. Type D is interprinted segregation random orientation. Type A is interdensed segregation preferred orientation. And type E with the Steinman graphic. Okay, next is generally it can be used with the following properties of gray iron increase with increasing tensile strength from class 220 to class 560. Okay, the first is strength includes strength at elevated temperature. 2 is ability to produce a fine machine finish models of gases. And 3 wall resistance. And on the other hand, the following properties describe with increasing tensile strength, so that low strength iron often perform better than high strength iron when those properties are important. The first is maintainability, 2 is resistance to thermal shock, and 3 damping capacity, and 4 is ability to be cast in this section. Okay, next is ductile iron. Casting of ductile irons second only to gray iron in the amount of casting projects. Account for over a share of casting ferrous and non-ferrous. Ductile iron has advantage amount with gray iron of excellent fluidity, but it requires more care to ensure cold casting and to avoid hot excess and carbohydrates in this section, and usually has a lower casting yield than gray iron compared to steel heliotrope iron. It is easier to make sound casting, and higher casting yield is usually obtained. However, more care is often required in molding and casting. In treatment and mechanical properties of ductile iron, many ductile iron products are used in the scarce condition, but in some foundries, observe 50% of the products are in treatment before they ship. Knowing is mandatory for some grades of ductile iron, and several types of knowing can be employed to reduce the hardness of iron like this. Some of the applications for instrument ductile iron include: the first is gears, 2 is well resistant parts, 3 high fatigue strength application, 4 is high impact strength application, 5 automotive crankheads, 6 is chain sprockets, and next is refrigeration compressor crankheads. Next is universal joints, and next is chain slings, and finally is dolly wheels. Fatigue and fracture resistance of ductile irons. The set of graphite in cast iron has an effect on fracture toughness and fatigue resistance because the graphite can internal knots or stress result in the iron. In gray iron, flake graphite increases stress concentration and lowers toughness, and fatigue strength relative to that of iron that have more special or compact graphics form. Okay, the next is the fatigue strength decrease on the cast size. Section size increase as cylinders. Picture is effect of cast section size on the physical properties of ferritic and ferritic ductile irons. The Purba, ferric and ferric iron nuts and units as the size of components subject to reference-bending fatigue increases, there is a decrease in fatigue strength up to approximately 15 mm and or 2 inch in diameter. The endurance ratio defined as physical endurance limit divided by tensile strength of ductile iron, defined as tensile strength increased by the picture is effect of tensile strength and metric structure on endurance ratio for ductile iron. So There might be legal further in specifying a higher strength structural iron that is prone to fatigue failure. And with this technique and the structure to reduce stress might prove to be a better solution. The address limit for a given gas of distant iron depends strongly on surface roughness and condition. Okay, next is malleable iron. The history of malleable iron goes back to Europe. The French scientists and metallurgists Prof and the Roman produced the first technical description of malleable iron casting. Application of ferric and ferric malleable iron includes many essential automotive parts of different colors, different chassis, wheel caps, steering gear housing, spring hangers, uniforms, joint blocks, automatic transmission parts, rocket arms, disc brake calipers, wheel hubs, and many other parts. General types of application include the first is thin section casting to part the R to be pressure tuned or whole format. And next is part requiring maximum mechanical next is part the mass ranging good impact distance at low temperatures, and finally is the part requiring wear resistance or magnetic or malleable iron only. Okay, the next is compact graphite iron. The application of compact graphite iron system from the intermediate position between the and neutral irons compared to flat graphite iron. Compact graphite iron have the strength and the strength. Okay, the first is higher tensile strength at the same carbon equipment, which reduces the need for expensive alloying elements such as nickel, chromium, copper, and molybdenum. And two is much higher delivery and toughness, which result in a higher safety margin against fracture. Three is lower oxidation and grow at least temperature, and four is section and sensitivity for heavy section. Okay, compared to ductile irons, the effect of compacted graphite iron are the first is lower constriction of thermal expansion. Next is higher thermal conductivity, next is better resistance to thermal shock, higher damping capacity, better capability loading to higher casting yield, and the capability for pouring more intrinsic casting, and finally is improved mechanical. Okay, next is special cast iron. Special cast iron are typical high alloy irons, which can also be classified as either with or graphics iron in the picture. The classification of special high alloy cast iron. In gray and colored irons, small amounts of alloying elements such as chromium, molybdenum, or nickel are used primarily to activate a strength or to ensure the attainment of a specific minimum strength and making safety. The special cast iron are variants of cast iron that have been developed to meet specific requirements not fully met by traditional gray or digital iron. These varieties of cast iron include the cast iron, malleable cast iron, alloy cast iron, and compact graphite iron or CGA. Each type has unique properties for particular application. I think I say thank you, and hopefully it is useful and can be understood clearly, and see you the next topic. Thank you.